Okay, this is a whynter 45 quart and 65 quart fridge. You can see the 65 looks a lot bigger, but it's really not, I don't think. Let me see here. The width is the biggest thing, so one's like 116 inches, and this one I think is 18 or 18 and a half, or right at 18, plus the nubs, plus the handles. And this one is, ooh, this can be difficult. Well, doesn't really matter. I think this one's like this bigger one's 4 inches longer, but they're right at the same height. I think the 65 is technically a ½ inch taller. They have the same electronics on them. But I got this 45, and you can put a lot of drinks and stuff in it, but I thought this basket area was really small, so I was thinking I might remove the baskets completely. But then I was like, well, let's see how much bigger that basket area looks. Let me see if I can set these lids up. Might be able to tell. You can tell from the top how much bigger that big basket is. The only thing that's a little bit, that kind of sucks about both of these is I wish they could have made the compressor area slightly, shallower or whatever, because a regular bottle of water just doesn't quite fit in there. But it'd be really nice to have, all your water here or something, or regular sized drinks, because all of these are basically a standard height. And maybe I could, maybe I could actually take the basket out and that would work. So, might be something. Let me try that real quick. Hadn't thought of that before. So that might actually work. So that might actually solve that problem. Let's see if I can shut it. No, it won't work. This comes down a little bit. Man, but so close. It's got that slight gap. Well, anyway, that's the 45 and 65. The 65 doesn't have that much bigger footprint, but it is a lot bigger for storing stuff.